Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my video and for sharing my video. Today I will be treating on how to make this lovely coral ring. Before I have done how to, in one of my videos I have treated how to do this bangle. I will drop the link of this ring together with the bangle. Today I'm having 5 rings, sorry, and I will be dropping two how I made it. The tutorial of how I made it, I'll be dropping two. So today I'll be doing 2 of it. I'll be showing you how I did this lovely ring. You can use it casually for wedding, for any traditional outfit. They are so lovely. So I'll be talking or doing the tutorial of how I made it. So let's get started now. So I want to remove it. I will remove some. Very easy to wear and very easy to remove. It's very easy to wear and it is easy to remove. So let me start with this. How do I made this one? Can you see? It's so lovely. I'll be using fish line 0.5 and I'll be using this coral bead with a round one. So you cut a reasonable length of fish line that you can maneuver, that you can use. Let me see. I'll be cutting almost half an inch. I'm doing this. So I use 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will first start with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After this 4, I will tie. Make sure the beads are at the center of the fish line. You tie firmly. Can you see? You tie firmly. Let me go one more. This is the 3rd time. There is it. So we now go in. Use this one to go in to the first one. Then you now count the round one. You count 8. Count 8 to any of the fish line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after counting 8, you now take it across. You know we are having 4 beads. Then you now take it across to this one. You tie. Make sure you tie very well. Should not be too strong and should not be too soft. So I will now take the other one. I will take 4 round one. Very easy to do. You can try it at home. You take 4, 1, 2, 3, for this is DIY. You try it at home. You can use it for any occasion you want to use for. After taking 4, then you now count this one. You know, we took 8, then you now come to the middle. You pass through the middle. That is 4. You can do it 2 times. Round it 2 times. Then you now count another 4. You count another 4. Kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when you click the notification bell of next. I'll be dropping another video. I have a lot of interesting tutorial for you on bead. How to do a lot of things with your bead, with any form of bead. Can you see? Can you see? So you tie again. Can you see? So what remains now is the bead that will go round. So rare. Depends on how big your finger is or how small. This one fits in to the biggest, to my middle finger. So, and I use let me see, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I use 13. So for us to get this round part of it, what I did was I have to tie this one first. You tie it, it will come to the center. Make sure your tying comes to the center. You tie. Don't forget, I'm going to put 13. It should come to the center. It should come to the center. So I'm using 13. You can use 14, you can use 12, depends on how you want it to, depends on your finger. One, I'll be using 14, 7, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So to the other side, I'll be putting 7 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 3, 5, 6, 7. I can use 13, 6, 6, 14, 12, depends on the finger that you are doing the ring for. Can you see? So you now tie. You tie, and when you want to cut, you have to be careful so that you will not cut to the extent that it will start to shook or it will cut it in a way that it will not injure your customer or your client's hands. So you have to do it neatly. What I normally do is to take it inside to the bead. I will take everything inside, and I will now cut it so the remaining part will be inside. Let me do it. You see. Or you can bring it to this edge here, and you cut. Or you leave it like this. Let me see. This is the one that we just finished now. So I want to do one more for this video. So this is the one I did just now. This time. So let me do this one. This one is so easy as well. Let me do this for the second one. So you take your fish line 0.5, cut any, let me say half of it, cut half inches. We are doing this. Then you take four of your coral bead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure they come to the center. You should be at the center before you tie. You see? Come to the center when you tie. You tie neatly. Do it one more time. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. Please do subscribe to encourage me. I'm doing this. You see, there is one on top. There's one on it. So it depends on the way you want it. You can leave it like this, or you can let it be like this. So this is the way this one is. So you now put one on top. You add this one to the top. You see? Then you now tie here. And if you want me to do it for you, dozen price, fine, you can contact me. I will drop my link below. You have a wedding and you want it, can you see? You want it in bundle. So this is it. Then we now bring it to the center. Make sure you tie it at the center. If you have any question, kindly drop at the comment box. Any observation? If you have any question? This is it. This is the one I'm doing. So you now count your ring. You now count the round one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is 11. Depends on your finger. I've said it earlier on. Depends on the finger. 11. Okay, let's make it 6, 6 or 5, 5. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. So to the other one, you put 6 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you now tie gently. Can you see? So if you have a smaller finger, you can use 4, 4 or 5, 5. And as you know, our fingers, they are not all equal. The 5 fingers, some are bigger, some are smaller. This one is the biggest, so this one will take like 14, 13, 13. Maybe this one will take 14 as well. So it depends on how big your finger is. Then you tie gently. You tie 2 times or twice or thrice. Then you cut. And if you don't want to cut like this, I prefer to take it in to the side. Take the 2 to the side, or take 1 to the side. So you can cut it the way you want to cut it. So can you see? They are lovely. So in my next tutorial, I will be showing how I did the other ones.